How to download or save image for Behance. Hello everyone and let's get started. Today we'll be talking about a software or application called as Behance from where you can search for different high quality images and download or save it. There are two places where you can save it. The first one is on the mood board and the second is on your PC itself. So first of all go to behance.net and from the top right corner go to your account or log in into your credentials. Once this is done, from the search bar, you can choose from the different options such as projects, images, peoples, and asset. To download or save any image, tap on it, and the first one would be clicking on the save option to the mood board. It is available on the bottom of the screen written as save and a file like structure. Once you tap on it, you can create a mood board and add it the pictures. This way you can use it for inspiration, research and much more. Likewise, the second option is right clicking on the picture and clicking on save as. This way you can save the picture in the format that is supported. One unfortunate thing is most of the new pictures might not support the JPEG format for saving. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.